State SmartCast home not available. No matter what I do, I can't seem to get the thing to load. It was just working last night, and when I went to turn my TV on this morning it wouldn't work and gave me this error code. Any suggestions or advice?
These are the words of a Reddit user on the issue Vizio error code 2902-1, and I know you are looking for fixes. It is on the other side of this introduction. Vizio, a renowned brand in the realm of televisions, occasionally encounters errors that disrupts the viewing experience of its users. One such error is the Vizio error code 2902-1, which manifests as display problems on Vizio TVs. This error can be frustrating as it hinders the seamless enjoyment of movies, TV shows, and other content. Common symptoms include a blank screen, distorted visuals, or the inability to access specific features. Thankfully, there are steps users can take to troubleshoot the issue. By following a few simple instructions and performing basic troubleshooting techniques, users can potentially resolve the Vizio error code 2902-1 and restore their TV's functionality. These fixes were given by some Reddit users. Hope they help you. One posted,
I was having the same problem and all I did was disconnect from my Wi-Fi and connected again. This fixed it for me.
Another user posted,
What should work is unplug your TV for 1 minute. Plug it back in. If it's still not working, go to menu then system then check for updates. Or after you plug it back in, go to menu then network then test network. You have to use your original remote for all of this.
And this user is funny. He posted,
Best advice you will get is to buy another streaming device and use that with the TV. SmartCast is garbage, to put it nicely.
and one replied to him,
Wow dude, you totally fixed his issue, and didn't even reply with anything remotely useless at all.
That's all for today. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.